Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use complex function in Google Sheet. So let's see, if I add in some numbers 3, 2, then 3, then -1, then 3 again, and 0, right? So let me just center it. Right now in a C column, if I choose to use this function called complex, right, and if I pass on say a2 and b2, and if I offer it this imaginary number with double quotes I, so it should result in 3 plus 2i. So let's see if that works. Right, it will also autofill for the rest of the options, but let's keep it down for now. Right, so 3 plus 2i, we created a complex number out of this function. Then we have like equals to complex, and then a3, b3, and then say j, right? So it will have 3 minus j because it's just multiplied by -1, so it will become 3 minus j. Right, now we also have this third option where we can go for complex function, where we can offer it a4 b4, right? And then let's say we don't have anything to multiply with, so we simply pass these two and it will only return 3, because the imaginary part, if multiplied with 0, it will be 0, so won't bother with that. It will just pass on the complex number here as 3. So we have seen the 3 ways we can return the complex result in complex functions output in Google Sheets.